These are the contents that will be discussed in this part. First of all, discussion will revolve around digestion of vitamin E when ingested. Then, the second step is its absorption. Third step is transport mechanism. And the fourth step is the storage of vitamin E. So, let's jump in to see the digestion process. Initially, there is a dissolution of vitamin E with fatty food, which is then emulsified by the biliary and pancreatic secretions coming in intestines. This emulsification process results in micelles and chylomicrons. Let's have a glance over differences between them. Well, micelles are products of fat digestion that are incorporated into spherical water-soluble molecules due to bile salts and phospholipids, while chylomicrons are lipoproteins and products of fat digestion which synthesize new fats to release in lymph from intestinal cells as droplets. Micelles have majorly phospholipids in their composition, whereas chylomicrons have triglycerides, cholesterol, phospholipids, and apolipoproteins. In case of micelles, digested fats are absorbed into intestinal walls in this form. And on the other hand, digested fats are synthesizing new fats that are liberated from intestinal walls into lymph in this form. Now, we will explore about absorption process. From gut, vitamin E comes in liver via lymph and then goes to systemic circulation. Well, the transport mechanism is all about the transport of vitamin E within the circulatory system on riding lipoproteins, which are combination of lipids and proteins. Moving towards storage details, vitamin E gets stored in liver and adipose tissues due to their affinity with the fatty areas. Let's have a look over the whole process to summarize. So let's begin. Lumen of intestine is enriched with bile and pancreatic secretions, which convert vitamin E into micelles. So they get permitted to enter inside intestinal cells. And inside the cells, vitamin E is packed in another form as chylomicrons by Golgi apparatus. These chylomicrons then leak into the lymphatic system. The reason behind in this sneaking activity is that chylomicrons have large size, so they cannot enter systemic circulation, or we can say capillary. From there, they enter into the liver and then inside systemic circulation. And then finally to the designated areas. In the next part, we will be discussing about dietary intakes, sources, features, roles, their deficiencies, and toxicity studies. So keep watching sqadia.com.